Ratios and unit rates 2. Complete each statement. We've got 1.5 gallons per minute, and we want to find the equivalent of quarts per hour. So I'm going to rewrite this as a fraction, that 15 gallons over 1 minute. And I'm going to use the conversion that I know that there's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. And that way I've converted my gallons to quarts. So I've dealt with this first part of this problem. The second part is I need to go from minutes to hours. And I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I can cross out the minutes. So the units that I'm left with are quarts per hour. And when I multiply this through, 15 times 4 times 60, I end up with 360 quarts per hour. On this next problem, I want to convert 0.85 kilometers per second to some unknown value in meters per minute. So I'm going to rewrite this as 0.85 kilometers over 1 second. I know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So I've converted my kilometers to meters. Now I need to convert the seconds to minutes. And I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So my seconds cancel, and I'm left with meters per minute. So when I multiply 0.85 times 1,000 times 60, I end up with 51,000 meters per minute. On this last problem, it's a little bit more complicated, but it's the same nevertheless. I want to convert 20 fluid ounces per minute to quarts per day. So I'm going to rewrite this as 20 fluid ounces over 1 minute, and I'm going to start my conversions. I know that there's 1 cup in 8 fluid ounces. Okay, so I've converted my fluid ounces to cups, but we're not quite to quarts yet. So I also know that there is 1 pint for every 2 cups. So I've converted from cups to pints, but I'm still not where I want to be. I want to go to quarts. So I know that there is 1 quart for every 2 pints. So my pints cancel. So now I've gone from fluid ounces to quarts. But now I still have to go from minutes to days. So I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So my minutes can cancel. And I know that there are 24 hours in 1 day. So my hours cancel. So my final units that I'm left with are quarts per day. So when I multiply, or I go through this, 20 divided by 8 divided by 2 divided by 2 times 60 times 24, I end up with 900 quarts per day. And that's my final answer.